This flexible recipe works great on soft tacos, rice, and even pasta. You can't give it a miss. It all starts with the salmon. You can use any cut of salmon you have, frozen or fresh. The important part is to dry it out with some paper towel. Add in some salt and black pepper to both sides. Then set the salmon aside and let's turn our attention to the marinade mixture. Start with half a stick of butter, which is about 50 grams, melted and at room temperature. Then add 2 tablespoons of sweet chili sauce. You can go up to 3 tablespoons if you like. I used 2 tablespoons. Mix that in. A tablespoon of sesame oil. Mix all those ingredients together. Grate in about 2 cloves of fresh garlic. Grate in about 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger. Don't forget to remove the skin of the ginger and then grate it in. Mix in some hot chili flakes, as much as you like. I added about 3 tablespoons. Mix about 3 tablespoons of fresh cilantro. Mix the marinade well and set it aside. Let's get back to the salmon and the marinade. Spread it all around the salmon. Make sure that you cover it completely. Get your air fryer pan and add in those square air fryer parchment paper. Then add in your canned diced pineapple. Drain all the juice from the can before adding. If you can't find the small diced one, you can buy the Ringo pineapple can and cut them into small pieces. Add some non-stick spray. Spread the pineapple evenly. Whatever remains of the marinade, spread it around the pineapple, just like that. Lay your salmon on top of the pineapple. Then into the air fryer for 12 minutes at 360 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. After the 12 minutes is up, this is the result. Plate your salmon. Add a little pineapple and butter mixture. Serve it with a slice of lime and a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds. Let's give it a try. It's so good, I hope you try it and like it. If you have any questions or comment, please feel free to leave them below. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribing to the channel and sharing the videos with your friends. If you're looking for serving suggestions with the salmon, I will link up my dill rice recipe. It goes well with the salmon. See you on the next video.